Wait lang. Wait. Ito. Naka-record na ako. Ito yung...
Ay, magpakilala tayo. Dito harap.
Dito.
Ay, Murder Victory. Hindi pa kami nagpapakilala.
Diba? Wait lang. Hi guys, ito yung pinsan ko.
Hi, I'm Jazz.
Hi, I'm Ashlyn. So, rararo
We
kami.
are cousins.
Yes.
Let's vote there.
Pizza party.
I want to be here and murder.
Gusto mo hero at murder?
Yeah.
Innocent.
Innocent? I don't like innocent
Gusto
because
ka?
that is so ugly.
Yes.
Oh, wait. I want to be hero. What? Hi.
Hi. Yeah.
Stop bothering me. Can't you see I'm tanning?
Don't be takam us because what if you're murder?
SB19.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, mommy.
Where are you?
Nakatago ako sa ball pit.
Ah, you murder.
I should rest a bit because
Ala, nakita ko yung baril. Kunin mo yung baril.
Sige. Saan?
Kina.
Bili.
I want to get home as soon as possible.
Nakita ko yung baril.
Are you ready to order? For my wife and me, bring us a shrimp.
Ayun.
Octopus cocktail. Also, we like
Yun.
You are the hero.
For me, a hamburger, some nuggets,
That's nice.
fries, 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, a
Ito.
chocolate crepe, and finally, a very cold lemon soda, please.
Yes, your food will be brought out right away.
I don't...
Tell me, you're really
Innocent.
you want to eat like it's your last supper.
Ikaw?
Sheriff!
Patingin?
Wala na. Asan ka, be? Ano ka ba?
Innocent nga.
Asan ka? Sheriff, ako sasabahan kita.
No, I'm retiring from the company, but I have good news. You need to show up at the office tomorrow because
I don't trust you.
with the investors.
Ay.
It's your chance to become the
Ay,
CEO.
Sheriff. Ay, sorry.
But boss, did you change the date of the meeting?
Ano na, ilaw yung
Vacation at the
kanya.
beach with my family. Well, I understand.
Let's go, let's go.
You can't come.
Ah!
I'll give the opportunity to Enrique. No, boss, it's fine. I'm heading there right away. Kids, I have bad news. We have to
You're
leave urgently.
lying.
You liar.
Just grab the suitcases and head home.
No, Dad. We're going back so soon. Daddy, but we just got here. It's not fair.
Peter, you can't do this to us. We just arrived today. And you promised us that we'd stay here for a whole week.
Bili, patayin mo lahat. Sila.
I can't miss it. Besides, when I'm CEO, we'll make a lot of money. End of discussion.
Tingnan mo kung saan nasan sila.
We're not even going to eat.
Nandito siya sa ano.
Your food will be
Sa may
ready
dito. Nandito siya. Dito.
shortly. Anything else you need? No, we have to go.
Tapos eto.
So, if you want, I can pack the food
Nandito.
to go. No, thanks.
Nasa ano?
Dalawa na lang. Bili.
Dalawa.
Sa closet sila.
Please, Dad.
Ito.
Can we
Ito
stay a
oh.
little longer? I still
Nakalabas na siya.
swimming, Dad.
No, kids, go get the
Hala, meron siyang
I'll
baril.
leave here in the car.
Ala,
Ala!
Ah!
I don't like this game anymore. Sheriff.
Iba na lang
One
tayo.
more.
Do we really have to
Ano na lang tayo? And2 trainers.
Ano yan? Ayoko yan! Wag na yun.
1v1 tayo. Ikaw ang sheriff. Ikaw ang mambabarakin.
1v1.
I wanted to stay longer.
Fine.
Dad. Me too. My plan is half done. It's not fair.
Sayang, hindi ko nabaril yung ano.
I'd love to stay longer. Kills and
Hindi na baril ang sheriff.
Hindi ko nabaril. Ay, hindi ko nasaksak yung sheriff.
Being CEO.
Yes, Dad. You only care about your job. You're never with us. Your job is the only thing that makes you happy.
shut up, all of you. You're driving me crazy.
Ang tagal mag-join.
Papraktis na ako. Kasi bigla ako magaling.
Ganyan na yung avatar mo. Nag-join pa ako. Ang galing.
Lugi ka sa akin mamaya.
What a terrible accident.
Ayaw ma-join pa.
Where are my kids? And my husband?
Yeah, what I'm going to tell you is very hard. Your family didn't survive the crash, and unfortunately, you also lost an eye in the accident.
No, Doctor, you're lying. That can't be true. I was with my family.
Ang galing.
I'm sure they're waiting for me at home.
Nurse, quick, help me give the patient a sedative.
Ano na ba?
Ayaw pa. Ang tagal mag-join. Ulit ka. Leave ka.
Where am I?
Doctor, the patient was woken up.
Leave ka kasi ayaw
How are you
mag-join.
feeling, Mr. Alvin?
Gawa ko private server 1v1 tayo.
Kids now?
Sige.
For the moment, no, Mr.
Allowed friends
One
to
more.
join.
Saying done it. Hi, I'm Gas.
Injured, so you won't be able to walk for a while. How long
Oo,
will I
ulit.
be able to walk, Doc?
Yeah.
We don't know.